Bonjour les amis, comment vous allez? Good morning guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to have our lesson 3. For those wondering what is lesson 1 and 2, just go back on my previous video and you're going to have an idea of what was lesson 1 and 2. We are going to focus on this video on what we are calling here the auxiliary, okay? Auxiliary in French are called auxiliaires, and these are these are the most important verbs in the French language, because it can allow you to construct a lot of sentences. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try to construct basic sentence, introducing ourselves by just using two auxiliaries. What are these two auxiliaries? The first one is avoir, and the second one is être, okay? Avoir means to have, and être means to be. Now, how to use them? Let's start with être. Être, in general, you use it when you're trying to give your maybe your name. You want to give your name. I am Guy. I am Stéphane. You will say je suis Guy, je suis Stéphane, je suis Albert. A lot of people will always say je m'appelle. Yes, that's correct, but you can also say je suis, I am, and then you give the age. You can give your profession by using je suis. For example, I am a doctor, I am a nurse. Je suis docteur, je suis infirmière, je suis étudiant, I am a student. Right? Je suis professeur. I'm a professor. That you can also use it even to give your nationality. Je suis philippin. I am Filipino. Je suis camerounais. I am Cameroonian. Je suis français. I am French. Right? You can also use it to, I don't know if I already said that, but you can also use it to give your current feeling, your state, your mood. Let's say, for example, je suis fatigué. I am tired. Je suis heureux, I am happy. Je suis malade, I am sick, right? So usually, these are the contexts when you can use je suis. But there is one trick that you have to know, and please remember this one, is that when you're giving your age, in English, it's going to be I am 20-year-old, for example. I am is je suis, and then you just give the age, 20-year-old. But when you have to say it in French, it's going to be j'ai. Okay. I'm not going to explain in detail why it's like that, but just remember, exceptionally for the age, when you're giving the age in French, you should not say je suis and then you give the number. Because logically you will think that, okay, since he says je suis is I am, given that I'm saying I am 20-year-old, I should also say je suis 20 ans. But it doesn't work like that. It's going to be j'ai 20 ans, specifically for the age. You can find some other scenario where sometimes I am do not become automatically je suis, but instead j'ai. But I'm not going to elaborate it right now. The other auxiliary that you're having is avoir. Avoir is used simply to express things that you possess in general. Okay? So you are going to say, for example, I have a house. J'ai une maison. I have a car. J'ai une voiture. I have a brother. J'ai un frère. I have a sister. J'ai une sœur. I have a mother. J'ai une mère. I have a dog. J'ai un chien. I have a pet. Whatever you want to say, you have is going to be j'ai. Okay? So now that you have understand these two auxiliary, let's now try to build a sentence together. Introducing ourselves. Let's do it first in English. I'm going to say, I am Guy. I am Filipino. I am a student. I am happy. This is what is going to sound. I am Guy, je suis Guy. I am Filipino, je suis Philippin. I am student, je suis étudiant. I am happy, je suis heureux or content. So you see, the I am is just je suis plus find the dictionary and translate whatever you are. And then that's it. You already introduce yourself. Okay? When it's come to age, I am, let's say, 20-year-old. You are not going to say je suis 20 ans. But when it's come to age, exceptionally is j'ai 20 ans. When it's come to age, exceptionally we say j'ai, and then we give the number, not je suis. Now I want to express some stuff that I possess using avoir. It's going to be j'ai une maison, I have a house. J'ai une voiture, I have a car. J'ai un frère, I have a brother. J'ai une sœur, I have a sister. J'ai un enfant, I have a child. I hope these two verbs you will already find it helpful and just help you to talk about yourself, just talk about I, right? You can also elaborate it to tu, to you, to other pronoun, but for the meantime, I just focus it on I, because when you're speaking with somebody, especially when you're introducing yourself to somebody, you start by I, yeah, or I, have, okay? I means je, am means suis, have means est. So I hope you all find this lesson interesting for you. If you have any comment or anything that you want to clarify and know, just leave it in comment, and on the next class I'll probably address it, or if not, maybe on the further coming class this will be addressed. Take good care of yourself, et à bientôt.